Hello everyone. This is Wave from the AI Wave Calculator channel. Have you ever found yourself searching for different calculators for various reasons? That's why I created this AI Wave Calculator, where you can use all kinds of calculators in one place. The structure of the Wave Calculator is simple. On the home screen, you can see a list of different calculators. Each calculator page includes an explanation of the calculation, formula, and a feature where you can ask questions and get answers from the AI. Additionally, registered users can create their own calculators. Now, let's create a new calculator. We're going to make a tip calculator. Let's do it together. First, navigate to the calculator creation page. Here, you can enter the title, description, and hashtags. For the title, I'll enter Tip Calculator Free AI, Tip Calculator with Percentage. Next, for the description, I have prepared a detailed explanation. Let's copy and paste it into the description box. Now, let's enter the hashtags. Hashtags help with search optimization. I'll enter Calculate Tip, Tip Easy, Titting It Easy, and Tip Help. Once everything is filled out, click the Publish button to create the calculator. And just like that, the tip calculator has been successfully published. Now, other users can also use this calculator. Let's now use the tip calculator we just created. On the screen, you can see the title, Tip Calculator Free AI, Tip Calculator with Percentage, along with the description and hashtags. Below the description, there's an AI question input box. I'll type in, I left a $10 tip on a $55 bill. What percentage tip did I leave? After submitting the question, the AI will provide an answer shortly. Let's wait for a moment. The AI responded, You left an 18 tip. It's accurate and fast, isn't it? With the AI Wave Calculator, you can solve even complex calculations easily. Try it out for yourself. Don't waste time Googling for frequently used calculations anymore. With the AI Wave Calculator, you can get all your calculations done in one place. If you have friends still searching for calculators, introduce them to the Wave Calculator.